Alright guys, this is the Wunderlich windshield. Check it out how it was over there. Okay, if you have this kind of pieces on your front of your bar, this is a GS 1200, not the Adventure. I don't know if it's the same. I don't think it's the same, but I just replaced this again. I was not happy with the WRS. Was kind of like I was getting turbulence over my head. This is a little bit taller, this one, and I tried yesterday and seems good, but now I have to fix up all these little parts here so the windshield doesn't get vibrated from the metal. You know, you don't want metal to touch these little bolts here. Then we have the earpiece, is what I call. All right, so I'm gonna explain to you one by one. All right, so this is what it looks like that goes into the windshield, and this came with their own. This is from the last one, the previous one I have. All right, so it's just a little rubber that you see that goes into the plexiglass. All right, and protects the plexiglass from vibration. Then you have that little bolt with a nut that goes through it, and you have a plastic washer. The plastic washer is very important to go on the other side of the plexiglass, even if you have a little rubber here. You see that rubber here? All right, that piece of rubber is on the back side of the plexiglass, so that goes like that. All right, this one on the top, and this is how it should go to avoid damage on the windshield from high vibration. All right, and let's see it on the bike. Okay, so as you can see, I have already inserted this piece here with the lock nut on the back, right here. All right, with the lock nut. All right, and I haven't tied it yet. You don't have to hold the nut. You just insert it into this piece here, and you automatically will just stay there. All right, but I just want to show you the other side. These are also adjustable, so you can move them a little bit left and right. All right, but measure these. Make sure you have this distance the same when you order a windshield like that. All right, and the earpieces, they are adjustable. Okay, all right, it only goes one way because it has it has an angle. All right, this little piece here, so that angle have to match with this angle here of the bike. Let's look at it on the side. You tell me what you think, but I love it already. Okay, all right, so let's finish up the installation. What's up, baby? What's up, big baby? Yeah, okay, all right. Okay, so, all right, we'll have the bolt and the nut, lock nut, the plastic washer, the rubber washer, you can see it right here, all right, right here, and you have the base, the mount onto the bike. All right, so let's try to put it on. I have to put first the bolt, as I showed you before. Rotate the mount up. Make sure the rubber is here. That little rubber is here. Then I put the plastic washer onto the bolt. I know it's not easy. Okay. It's easier, and it's in. All right. So the plastic washer is after the rubber washer that's on the other side than I saw you before. Okay, and now my power drill Okay, first I'm going to try to hold it right there. Yeah. No, it's not easy. We have lost this nut once, and helpfully I found it was like somewhere here and it fell down. But you know, this is the difficult part of installing this. Everything else is kind of easy. Alright, now if I can hold it there and give it a couple of curves. I think I did it. Okay, good. Now I'm gonna use the power drill, tighten it just a little bit. You see, I just only have to hold it inside here. You don't have to use a tool. But sometimes to check it out, you might have to. Alright? Alright, let me tension this one too a little bit. Okay. Alright, right there. Okay, so if you have to use a key to hold the nut on the other side, it's number 8 in millimeters. Alright. Okay, now as you can see, it goes up and down. Okay, we're going to take a break and we're going to do the adjustments exactly what I wanted. Alright. Now this one here, I'm going to put it a little bit higher compared to this. Here, what's going on? You lose that plastic handle or something, alright, or screw, and you move it up and down. But the trick is, make sure this part here, when you do it, it's the ankle, it brings the windshield vertical. Okay, so you can see this ankle here, it goes down and that ankle goes up. Alright, and I'm talking about the curve on the piece. Alright, so when you finish with that, you can understand it because it doesn't go any other way, so you don't have to worry too much. But then you put the nut on this side that fits inside the channel, alright, and then you tension by hand. I like to put it 1, 2, 3 on the third position, so I'm gonna mark 1, 2 from the top, this little insert here. Let me show you. Okay, so this I'm gonna measure 1, 2 on the top, and I'm gonna go the other side. Alright, lose this. And helpfully, I don't know if I can do it with one hand, but it's already there. You see that? 1, 2. 1, 2, right there. Alright, so I tension this a little bit. Okay. 1, 2, I'm right there. I tension this a little bit. I leave it right there. I want to finish this first. The reason for that is you don't put any stretch on the side of the windshield. So let's do that. Alright, so this ankle I have here, I'm very happy with. Alright, and I'm just checking the movement. Make sure I have clearance here. Alright, I like this black thing comes with that particular windshield. Alright, and it's pretty nice actually. You're gonna see it when I'm finished. Alright, so this is kind of like almost done. I'm gonna put the torque on 4 on the drill because I don't want to stretch it. Okay, and this is not in there, so let's give it a little bit more. Yeah, see, it brings it out. I'm not gonna enforce it. I'm gonna do it by hand. Right there. Okay, as I can see, torque is on 4, very light. Alright, checking here again. Tight the side nuts, the plastic ones. Don't over tighten, they're not gonna go loose, believe me. Right there. Okay, we're all good. What do you think? Okay, I think it's nice. This is a German made from very well known Wunderlich. I think, as you know, I pronounced it correct. I'm not sure. Wunderlich. All right, and the thickness is, oh wow, right here it shows like 6.1. I say, you know, 6 millimeters to be safe. 5.9. Yeah, okay, so 6 millimeters is the thickness of the plexiglass, I think. All right, so that was it. If you want to do adjustments now, all right, you have to lose the front ones, these two. All right, lose them a little bit, like I'll say like 1/4 of an inch, and then lose this completely. All right, bring them out nicely and put it up and down and change that ankle. Okay, because you have also a channel here, you see that channel, so you can actually bring this back and front. Right now this is the ankle that I'm very comfortable with, but I'm going to test it. Okay, and after the testing, I want to make sure that the airflow goes over my helmet and my pillion helmet rows. All right, this is the idea. Okay, so another thing is I want to show you because a lot of people getting a short one, I don't know why. Yeah, all right, this particular one, it's a 46. It's a 46 from here to the top, but I like this black. You see that black design here or something like that? I like that because you will probably bring some shade to the instruments, not much. And I like the fumet. The fumet is kind of comfortable. Before I have a very light fumet, was okay on the WRS. I have a review on that if you want to see that windshield. And before that I have one that came with the bike, then I have no idea what was it, but that thing was like around 52-53 centimeters high. I bring it down, so I was very comfortable with that. I will put some pictures so you can see it. But people think that you know, I'm 170, I'm like 5'8", so people think like, you know what, I'm short, I'm gonna put a short windshield. It doesn't go that way. Okay, you're gonna feel very comfortable with the high one because the airflow, when you ride 2 up, the airflow will gonna go over you and you're gonna be very comfortable on long hours trip. And we do long hours trip. If you see our YouTube channel, you know, we do Europe, we do Greece, we go everywhere. This is very important. All right, I hope I help you guys out. If there's anything else, I'm gonna put it in the comments below. Thanks for watching.